Hi everyone, Carolyn here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add staff members to the WeTreat platform so they can have access to your account. So when you log in, you want to do this on a web browser, which can be on a laptop or desktop. You may not be able to do this on a mobile device. From here, when you log in, we're going to navigate to the left-hand side down to the Account tab. Once you click that tab, you'll notice a few sub-tabs on the top right and then click Staff. Then down at the bottom, you'll see Invite Staff Member. Once you're here, you will enter in their first name, last name, and email. And then below, it will proceed down to the permissions. There are some preset roles here, but it's important to identify each and every permission so that way they have the correct buttons for what they need to perform their duties within the platform. Once you have added the permissions or preset roles, from there, before you click Add or Update, scroll to Locations and ensure to highlight your location for them to have access to. If you have multiple locations on your account, you will see all of them here and they can have access to multiple accounts, which sometimes can be in different states or different brick and mortar. Then after that, you can click Invite. Once you invite, they will be sent an email to register and create their own password. You want to make sure to request that they check all folders, including spam. If they still have not received the invitation, there is a re-invite button up here that will send another email. All right, have a great day.